Each year, nearly 8 million tons of turkey meat are consumed worldwide. But what's truly surprising is what happens behind the scenes. Modern processing plants now handle up to 10,000 turkeys per hour, fully automated and nearly hands-free. This isn't traditional farming anymore. It's industrial food production at full throttle. Welcome back to AgroWorks USA, the channel that takes you inside the scale, systems, and unseen realities of modern agriculture. In today's episode, we explore how the turkey industry operates, from artificial insemination and hatcheries to automated feeding systems and high-speed slaughter lines. What does it really take to raise millions of birds, and what do we trade off for efficiency? We'll also look at the ethical concerns, environmental footprint, and economic drivers shaping this rapidly growing sector. If you're curious about where your food comes from, this is a story worth following. Enjoyed the video? Give it a like, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a new episode from AgroWorks USA. In large-scale turkey farming, artificial insemination is the primary method of reproduction. Due to the size and anatomy of commercial breeds, natural mating is often unfeasible. Technicians inseminate 500 to 600 hens per hour, up to 4 times a week, allowing farms to control genetics and boost fertility rates. Fertilized eggs are transferred to advanced incubators, where temperature around 37.5 degrees, humidity 55–60%, and airflow are carefully regulated. Automated systems rotate the eggs multiple times a day to mimic natural conditions and support healthy embryo development. By day 25, eggs are moved to hatchers, units with slightly higher humidity and warmth to trigger hatching. Around day 28, poults emerge. They're then sorted by size and health, vaccinated and transferred to brooder houses. This streamlined process allows farms to hatch hundreds of thousands of poults weekly, ensuring steady supply for the global turkey market. With automation and precision, modern breeding systems maximize efficiency while meeting rising consumer demand for turkey products. After hatching, turkey poults spend their first 4 to 6 weeks in climate-controlled brooder houses, specially designed to support early development. Automated heating keeps temperatures stable, while LED lighting simulates natural day-night cycles to promote healthy growth. Feeding and hydration are fully automated. Poults receive a protein-rich pellet diet via smart feeders that adjust to age and intake. Water is delivered through nipple drinkers to prevent spillage and contamination. Smart sensors monitor weight and consumption, allowing real-time adjustments. Ventilation systems regulate airflow, humidity, and temperature to reduce respiratory issues and heat stress. Air filters help block dust and pathogens, while slatted floors or conveyor belts manage waste efficiently, limiting ammonia and maintaining hygiene. At 4 to 6 weeks, poults are moved to larger grow-out barns, where the same systems scale up to support thousands of birds. Farm managers use cameras and dashboards to monitor health, spot issues early, and optimize care. Impressed by today's turkey farming? Type 1 if you'd like to visit a turkey farm, or share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more from AgroWorks USA. Once turkeys reach market weight, typically 11 to 20 kilograms at 15 to 20 weeks, they're prepared for harvesting. Feed may be adjusted in the final days to optimize processing conditions. Harvesting begins with low-stress herding into transport crates. Workers, often using mobile tools, guide the birds into ventilated stackable modules with non-slip floors and rounded edges to reduce injury. Transport is usually scheduled for cooler hours, early morning or evening, to ensure welfare. Each trailer can carry thousands of birds with strict limits on travel time. Modern systems use GPS and environmental sensors to monitor temperature, ventilation, and bird comfort in real time. Upon arrival at the processing facility, turkeys are unloaded and moved to holding areas before entering the production line. Efficient coordination between farm and factory is vital. Delays can compromise both welfare and meat quality. This stage marks the end of the grow-out phase and the beginning of industrial processing, where scale, speed, and biosecurity converge to meet the world's growing appetite for lean, protein-rich turkey meat. At the processing facility, turkeys are handled with precision and speed under strict hygiene protocols to ensure safety and efficiency. Birds are unloaded automatically from transport crates and moved onto the production line with minimal handling. They are first stunned using controlled atmosphere systems, KAS, or electrical stunning to ensure unconsciousness before slaughter, aligning with welfare standards. Turkeys are then hung by their legs, passed through scalding tanks to loosen feathers, and defeathered by automated machines with rubber fingers. Evisceration systems remove internal organs, and carcasses are rinsed with clean water and antimicrobial sprays. Robotic cutters and AI sensors ensure consistent trimming of heads, necks, and tails while minimizing waste. Afterward, carcasses are chilled in water or air tunnels to preserve freshness. Birds are sorted by weight and processed into whole turkeys or portions. Many facilities also offer value-added lines, producing marinated, frozen, or fully cooked turkey products for retail and food service worldwide. This streamlined system enables factories to process up to 10,000 birds per hour with efficiency and quality control. Does the quality control system in turkey processing plants make you feel more confident about the food you eat? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your perspective in the comments. Turkey meat is known for its high nutritional value and versatility. With around 29 grams of protein per 100 grams and low levels of saturated fat and cholesterol, it's a healthier alternative to red meat. It also provides essential nutrients like B3, B6, selenium, zinc, and phosphorus, supporting energy, immunity, and bone health. Its lean profile makes it ideal for heart-healthy and weight-conscious diets. Today, turkey appears in many forms: whole roasts, ground meat, deli cuts, sausages, and ready meals. Its mild flavor adapts well to global cuisines. Culturally, turkey holds a special place in Western traditions, especially in the US and Canada, where it's the symbol of Thanksgiving and Christmas gatherings, representing family and gratitude. As health trends evolve and culinary innovation grows, turkey continues to succeed as both a nutritious staple and a seasonal icon, balancing tradition with modern appeal in kitchens around the world. The global turkey industry has grown into a multi-billion-dollar sector, fueled by rising demand for lean protein and diverse product options. Nearly 8 million tons of turkey are consumed each year, with top producers including the US, Brazil, Germany, and France. In the US alone, turkey farming generates over $5.5 billion annually and supports thousands of jobs across breeding, processing, and logistics. Once tied mainly to holidays, turkey has become a year-round staple with products like ground meat, deli cuts, sausages, and ready-to-cook meals. Health-conscious consumers are driving growth in organic, antibiotic-free, and free-range offerings, reflecting a shift toward food transparency and sustainability. These premium products also help boost profitability. With global interest rising, particularly in Asia and Latin America, and advancements in automation and supply chains, turkey farming continues to evolve. It now stands as a competitive and flexible force in the global livestock industry, ready to meet changing consumer needs. Turkey farming may be more efficient than other livestock systems, but large-scale production still raises ethical and environmental concerns. High-density operations generate significant waste. If not managed properly, manure runoff pollutes soil and water, and energy-intensive systems for heating and ventilation add to carbon emissions. Feed crops like corn and soy also drive land use and environmental strain. Ethically, commercial turkeys are often confined indoors with limited space. Fast-growth breeding can lead to joint pain and heart issues, while artificial insemination replaces natural mating. Some farms adopt more humane methods, enrich spaces, slower-growing breeds, but these remain rare. For real progress, the industry must balance productivity with animal welfare and environmental care. That means stronger regulations, informed consumers, and greater transparency. Do you think industrial turkey farming is truly green? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more from AgroWorks USA. Despite its growth, the turkey industry faces key challenges. Disease control remains critical, as dense farming heightens the risk of avian flu outbreaks that can disrupt entire supply chains. Balancing strong biosecurity with reduced antibiotic use is an ongoing struggle. Labor shortages also persist. Though automation is improving, many processing roles are difficult, low-paid, and hard to staff, raising concerns about working conditions. Market volatility adds further pressure. Feed price fluctuations, trade shifts, and changing consumer demands affect margins, especially for smaller farms. At the same time, rising interest in ethical and sustainable food is forcing producers to evolve. Staying competitive will require investments in animal welfare, eco-conscious systems, and value-added products. With innovation and accountability, the turkey sector has the potential to lead a new era of responsible, efficient meat production. From festive tables to factory lines, the journey of the turkey reflects how tradition meets technology in today's food system. What was once a seasonal dish is now a global industry, automated, optimized, and evolving fast. But with this growth come important questions. How do we balance efficiency with ethics? Can we produce more without compromising welfare and sustainability? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video insightful, be sure to like, subscribe to AgroWorks USA, and turn on the bell to follow more stories from the heart of modern agriculture. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next story.